doctor first. Dr. Hiranandani, you've seen these dangerous claims that have been in the realm of insinuation so far. Today you have a mainstream party making an explicit claim that calves are being slaughtered for the creation of Covaxin. These are not my words. These are the words of the Congress party on social media from a verified account. How dangerous is this? Experts, doctors, scientists, the government, they've all rebutted these claims. How dangerous are these claims at a time like this, doctor?
Well, when we are going through this kind of scenario where pandemic is hitting hard and we have just gone through the second wave, expecting the third wave to hit us, and there is a vaccine hesitancy. Of course, we know that these vaccines are made in this scenario with a similar kind of process. So, and the vaccine is actually safe. We have seen the data is very clear that the vaccine has been safe, it is efficacious, and it has been active against the variants which we have been seeing. Because of the variants, we have seen that second wave coming up. So the data is also very, very clear about the variants that the vaccine is very safe and also efficacious against the variants. So in that sense, I think that from the scientific point of view, from the fraternity point of view, I will say the vaccine is very safe and efficacious, and there should be no hesitancy in accepting or taking this vaccine.
Tuhin, your party has held a press conference. The government has issued a rebuttal, a formal rebuttal as well on this. Almost about 20 hours after that tweet went out. So I'm wondering if the damage has already been done on something like this. But how are you seeing what the Congress is trying to do here?
Shiv, this is not the first time the Congress party has tried to demonize Covaxin, an completely indigenously manufactured vaccine. But it increasingly, it's only confirming the fact that they are following a certain toolkit politics, except that this time, as you rightly use the word, they have tried to weaponize vaccine hesitancy, and that too, by spreading a communal color to it. Now, as far as the medical aspects are concerned, the respected doctor has already clarified it. For the growth of Vero cells, it's an intrinsic process of the manufacture of all vaccines, including those against polio. Now, the Congress has a very disastrous track record. In 2011, when India became polio-free, we were the fourth last country to do so. I have been on record to say this. We are on track to script the biggest vaccine program history. We're probably going to be one of the first countries to vaccinate a good 95 crore of our urban population, of our complete population, adult population. And the Congress and the opposition, trust me, will do everything possible to sabotage this process.
Because
this is one of those tricks.
This is plain dangerous. The fact is, this is plain dangerous. You don't need to be on the BJP side or the Congress's side to have a view on this. People from across the spectrum, doctors, scientists, experts have all condemned this, very cynical and dangerous stunt that's been pulled by the Congress. Daniel, is there any defense for this kind of thing? Of course,